Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox kicking you out. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox kicking you out, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. You can uninstall your application and then you can install your application again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.